Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to convert currency on Ryanair. This is incredibly useful if you want to compare flight prices in your local currency or avoid confusion when booking international flights. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to the official Ryanair website at www.ryanair.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the search bar positioned in the center of the page. This is where you'll begin planning your flight. Click on the From field and type in your departure airport city or code. A list of suggestions will appear, so select the correct option that matches your departure location. Next, click on the To field and enter your destination airport city or code. Again, choose the correct option from the suggestions that pop up. After that, select your departure and return dates by clicking on the Date fields. A calendar will appear, making it easy to pick your preferred travel dates. Then, choose the number of passengers by clicking the Passengers drop-down. Here you can select the number of adults, children, or infants traveling with you. Now, before you search for flights, look for the currency flag icon or currency symbol drop-down menu in the top right corner of the homepage. This is where you'll change the currency. Click on it and a list of available currencies will appear. Select your preferred currency from the list. The page will refresh automatically to display all prices in your chosen currency. Once the page reloads, click the yellow search button to view available flights. Take a moment to confirm that all displayed flight prices have updated to your selected currency before proceeding with your booking. This ensures there's no confusion about the actual cost of your flights. One important thing to keep in mind, when you reach the payment stage, Ryanair sometimes applies dynamic currency conversion with an exchange rate that may differ from your bank's rate. You'll have the option to pay in your card's home currency or in the currency Ryanair displays. Choosing to pay in your card's currency may save you money on exchange fees if your bank offers a better rate than Ryanair's conversion. And that's it. You've successfully converted the currency on Ryanair and can now browse and book flights with full transparency on pricing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.